There.
Good. Push it, and then be sure that you don't need to be down here. Like, as long as we can. But we're gonna have to get it up to a point, and somebody's gonna have to let go and hop up in there. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Alright, now you get somebody get up there. Okay. You got it? Yeah. We're good. That was easy. That was so easy. That was a lot easier. Sweet, that was easy. Dude, I'm excited. Yes! I hope it's easy. Like, yeah, I do too.
My first scooter rebuild. Okay, so now I can keep it straight. And then we'll get to a certain point, just don't let it pull me off. Okay. So we're good, we're good, we're good. Yep. Go on down.
Beautiful! Alright, let's get at the shed.
Okay.
There it is.
Look out. Good job.
Sweetness.
Okay.
We did it.
Cool.
It's in the shed.
Yeah.
Lady Motorbank shed.
Are we recording? Oh no. Get this. Guys, I let my little mics die, so hopefully this sounds good. It's bright in here. Is that better? I'm gonna look weird. I don't care. Alright, so what's up guys? It's me, Ashton. Welcome back to my channel. I'm working on a scooter. You guys just saw me pick it up from Ann's, my buddy. She was like, maybe you could fix this for me. She loves this scooter. It's pretty sweet. It's got flames on it. Stoked to work on it for her. I hope I can figure out what's wrong with it. Battery. Maybe.
I don't know.
She gave me some parts that somebody told her that she needed already, so I'm going to be replacing the master cylinder on it and at least one brake cable. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you like this video, even though it's not a motorcycle. Scooters are cool. If this is your first time tuning in, please subscribe. I'm like halfway to 1,000 subscribers, so you know, you don't have to subscribe, but
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
also, please go to my Etsy store and buy a sticker. It's $5. You get a sticker, and then hopefully in the future, if I get enough subscribers and stuff, I'll like, I don't know, I'll make a t-shirt or something. People love t-shirts. I love t-shirts. And I just set up a Patreon account. It's just like a $5 membership thing.
Because she can't afford it.
No, ma'am, I'm afraid that's not allowed.
Help me, I'm poor.
No.
Listen, we're...
It'll help me buy parts. I've already got my new project bike. I've had it for a while, but I already know I'm going to need to get a bunch of new parts for it. And it will really help me out and help these videos move along a lot faster. First things first is everything's contained in here. I don't know what I'm going to do.
I don't know.
We good? Alright. I don't know what kind of scooter this is. All I know is I've already bought a new battery because it wouldn't start. Battery's completely dead. And she said that the last guy that looked at it said that she definitely needed brakes. So I got, and she handed me some parts she ordered for it. So it's got new brake cables and a new master cylinder. So I'm going to be replacing that. This, it says May Duo or Me Duo on the side. So I don't know. But I like that it's got flames on it, and it says it has a Harley Davidson sticker on it. Love it. I've never worked on a scooter, so I don't know where anything is. Everything's covered up. I can't see anything. So I know this is a newer scooter, like it was produced within the last 20 years, which is pretty new for me. But it hasn't run in a while, so I'm probably gonna have to figure out where the carbs are, figure out how to put gas in it. I don't know where the gas goes. So she probably shouldn't have given this to me to work on.
I don't know.
All right. We're just gonna do this. Looks like it's got the gauges work, the battery gauge, and the gas gauge. Let's Google it. Sting. What's this do? It's got bad gas in it. Got bad gas. Well, that's the least of my problems. And you know, all the lights and the gauges still work, so I know that the fuse is fine for now. I've got the battery back on. I've got the battery in this trickle charger, so I don't kill it. I don't know what to do. So somebody before zip tied the brake line and then the stop switch together, and they put like a little screw, like drilled a screw this like directly into where the stop switch goes. So the left side's not sensing that I'm pulling the brake, and then the right side that controls the front brakes and has the master cylinder, it's completely locked up, so I can't even see if it'll start. So I'm also not getting power to the headlight. I need to check the headlight. The brake light bulb is fine, so I know that it's not, the bulb's not dead, it's the switch, which it had the screw in it. So, you know. But right now I'm going to take the brake switch off of the left side and take a look at it so I can order a new one. And so the master cylinder that my buddy gave me is for a 7/8 of an inch handlebar, so it's not the right size. So I ordered the right one, and by looking at it, it is like a perfect direct replacement for what's already on the scooter. So I'm gonna put this on here and see if I can bleed the brakes, get all that fixed, and then maybe it'll start and I'll know, because that side won't be locked up anymore. I'll know that it's for sure the brake switch on this side. So and get started. Well, this is the vacuum, the fuel vacuum I just replaced, and now I've got gas in the fuel filter. So now I need to see if I've got. I'm not getting spark. I need to check the spark plug now. Sparking. Alright. Spark's good, so I got the cover off for the air filter. So I'm just gonna throw some starter fluid in here. Yep. Okay, that's got it. So I'm wondering if this gas is too old to even keep this thing running. I don't know if there's like a petcock underneath. This has a vacuum on it, so because the gas tank is underneath the scooter. It doesn't use gravity like a motorcycle, so it's got this vacuum. So I'm not sure if there is a petcock that I can even access to try to get this old gas out. I don't know what I'm going to do other than siphon it out. Alright. We're going to siphon this old gas out, and it's pretty full. This is a siphon for my kerosene heater. Get my kerosene into my kerosene heater. And if you've never done this before, then you ain't no hillbilly. So she hasn't used this in years, is what she said, like at least 2 years. So that's how old this gas is. So recording. It doesn't need a lot. Alright, here we go. No gas, no problem. No problem. See, it's full of gas now. It looks like it's running. At first I thought it didn't want to keep running because the gas was bad. But I got all this new gas now. It's trying to die on me. I'm throwing it out now because, yeah, there's no choke on this, so, I mean, I don't, you know, it's supposed to fire right up. It's not like a bike, you know, you can just mess with the choke, and you can even mess with the slide adjuster screws, even with your fingers sometimes, if it's just like, you know, kind of off, a little off. But this, like, if it doesn't fire up, like, she can't use starter fluid every time she's trying to get this bike to run. It's definitely, it's got to be a mixture problem. I really just don't think that I need to adjust this throttle anymore. Let me see if I can get this. I just adjusted the idle, but let me see if I can get it to I'm messing with the idle right now, but I finally got this thing to start. That's so much and I'm barely turning. I'm messing with the car. The idle screw is it's basically a throttle adjustment. It's not like one of these old Hondas at all. I don't want it to be too low, but the RPMs went up with the electronic choke, I guess, it turned off. It's just like this little valve that works with, when it gets hot, it extends this needle out of it. It's kind of interesting how they work. So, alright, so the mystery solved. issue with the fuel system. It works on a fuel make it happener, which is actually it's just the vacuum, the fuel vacuum. Replaced it, needed to be replaced, and then I think I was having some kind of vacuum issue with the hoses. But I replaced the entire carburetor for $30. I bought a $30 carburetor. I'm not interested in fine-tuning one of these little Chinese carbs. So I bought a new one. So I wasn't going to have to go do a deep dive on the damn carb. But I'm pretty sure I had a vacuum leak somewhere. Hopefully this will start tomorrow when I come out here. Alright.
The next day.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Alright, I think I got the idle set right. Now I gotta go outside and I'm gonna give it a wash before I give it back. It was pretty dusty when I got it, but